HTML is for presenting information and constructing page skeletons. CSS is for decorating web pages. So what is JavaScript for? JavaScript is what we need and use to create all kinds of special effects. For example, we can use JavaScript to create a carousel to validate user-submitted data, create collapsible menus, and etc. But the disadvantage of JavaScript is that it will take you quite a while to create a decent program. Therefore, many people have developed all sorts of different frameworks based on JavaScript. All the more commonly used functions have been integrated so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel again and again. Many of you do not come from a design background, but all of you want your web pages to look good. Therefore, you have every reason to learn Bootstrap. It's a great invention. Bootstrap is a library of CSS and JavaScript. Using it, you can create a professional-looking website very easily. All the commonly used icons and display effects have been integrated. You can use them directly without having to develop them yourself. The website image is an extremely important component for all websites. As a front-end programmer, you should be able to perform basic image editing. This is why we shall also teach you how to use Photoshop in this course.